What is the maximum amount of money that can be transferred between banks?
Hello there. In today's topic, we are going to demystify the world of bank transfers. One common question is, what is the maximum amount of money that can be transferred between banks? It's a pertinent question, whether you're a business looking to move large sums of money or an individual trying to manage your personal finances.
Do all banks have transfer limits?
The short answer is yes. Most banks do have transfer limits. These limits are generally set in place for security reasons and to help manage liquidity. They can vary widely depending on the type of account, the bank itself, and the type of transfer in question. Wire transfers, which are typically used for large, immediate transactions, often have higher limits. On the other hand, ACH transfers or online transfers typically have lower limits due to the potential risks of online fraud.
How much can I transfer?
The limit can vary drastically between banks and countries. However, just to give you an idea, many major U.S. banks set a daily limit in the range of $2,000 to $25,000 for personal accounts. For business accounts, the limit is usually higher and may go up to hundreds of thousands or even millions of dollars per day. If you're dealing with wire transfers, it's not uncommon to see no limit on the transfer amount. Do remember, these limits can change based on various factors like account history, account type, and the bank's own policies. The best way to know your limit is to contact your bank directly.
Can I increase my transfer limit?
Yes, in many cases, you can request your bank to increase your transfer limit. Banks might require you to provide additional documentation or go through more verification processes for this. It's always best to check with your bank for their specific policies. In conclusion, while there are limits to how much money can be transferred between banks, these limits can be quite large and are often flexible. If you ever need to move a significant amount of money, it's worth speaking to your bank about your options. Thanks for joining us today, and we hope this discussion has shed some light on the ins and outs of bank transfer limits.